Hello, how are you? Welcome to the comprehensive trading course, Con Dinero Libre. The comprehensive trading course, Con Dinero Libre, is aimed at two types of traders. One who already knows something, or the one who feels he needs more, or the person who has no knowledge. Obviously, the person who is already qualified will be located in the modules for what are the tips that progressively from zero onwards will find it necessary for you. Therefore, this course is made for everyone, people who know absolutely nothing. The art of trading itself is a business activity that allows you to earn money, obviously through the internet platform, through some programs, and all the information I will give you here. For people who know nothing, I want to tell you that this is a very nice business activity because it can give you a different quality of life. If you're looking for a job, if you are emerging from money, if you are in great need because you have to solve problems tomorrow, neither this course nor any other course will help you. My sincerity, first and foremost, will always be ahead of everything I'm going to give you. It will always be, as long as you don't waste your time and take advantage of everything you know or what you are going to learn. But I do tell you in that sense, because one of the things that people are looking for when they want to learn trading is to make fast money. But unfortunately, this is not the case. It will work in the medium term, including because when you receive all the information I can give you, surely your smile will be fast and the best. And this goes out to everyone. We are going to learn to work with other people's capital. We do not have to invest money of our own reflection. This is the most beautiful thing technology, the advances in the economy, have allowed us. Today we have access to levels and very large facilities. So what we have to do is learn. The first thing we are going to do is learn through this course with many free modules that you will get from now on. You will be training as a base, and then later I'm going to give you that golden strategy that will teach you to make every operation you make accurate to receive a benefit. And when you have already made it, the nicest thing is that you will be able to receive the money with the peace of mind of working from your desk, from your home, from the place you want. Because in trading, you can move worldwide, wherever you wish, as long as you have internet and as long as you have a laptop or whatever works for you. Then I recommend you watch this course, because it has been the work of many years with much sacrifice. And I give it to you with much affection because one of my passions is to teach, and I will always do it in the best possible way. I will always be available to you as well. You will always see my contacts in any of the modules, in all the information, so you can contact me at any time to clarify any doubts. So I invite you to watch this wonderful course to go ahead and have many, many, many great successes. May you be a successful trader and have a bright future. And in life, may you do very well. Thanks for watching the comprehensive Con Dinero Libre trading course. See you later.